Most people think World War III will be obvious. It won't. It starts with small moves no one notices, and one of them just happened. Right now, tension is rising between Iran, Israel, and the United States. But missiles are not the real danger. Here's what people miss. Countries are testing reactions. Small strikes, cyber attacks, proxy fights. But the real reason appears later. For example, when Benjamin Netanyahu responds, global powers quietly adjust their military positions. And this small detail changes everything. But the most important part comes next. If one ally joins directly, treaties activate instantly. And suddenly, it's not a regional war anymore. So ask yourself, are we already in the first stage and just don't see it?